Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best macrame kit is probably one of the most relaxing and rewarding crafts you can pick up. In this video, we're diving into everything you need to know to get started with macrame. We'll explore what makes a great beginner's kit, from the types of cords to the tools you'll need, and even some project ideas to get your creative juices flowing. Whether you're a complete newbie or just looking to refresh your skills, this guide will help you choose the perfect kit and start knotting your way to beautiful macrame creations. Number 5. Ewparts Macrame Kits for Adults Beginners. This kit includes everything you need to start your macrame journey. It comes with beads, rings, and dowels, allowing you to create at least 4 plant hangers. With this kit, it is easy to get started. Inside, you'll find a beginner-friendly instruction book. It guides you step by step through basic macrame knots. This makes it easy to create various projects, like plant hangers and wall decorations. The kit provides 4 step-by-step tutorials specifically designed for beginners. Each tutorial includes photos and instructions to help you along the way. You can easily start your own macrame projects. This is a useful and creative DIY kit for adults. You can use it to make plant hangers and decorate your home. It's also a relaxing activity, or a fun family project. The kit comes in a beautifully designed gift box. It keeps all the macrame accessories well protected and organized. It's a creative gift for anyone interested in crafts. What we like? This kit has everything you need to get started, making it super convenient. It includes a detailed instruction book, so you can learn step by step. If you're looking for a complete package that's also gift-ready, this is a great choice. What people say. Contains pre-measured material that makes it quick to get started. It contains everything that is needed to make these keychains. The instructions are clear and the material is of good quality. The snaps are of good quality and look nice. Different colors to make these durable keychains. Very helpful for beginners on the plant hangers. The directions for the wall decor are incomplete, so you're kind of on your own on them. However, I made beautiful plant holders out of this kit. Perfect as shown in the picture. Easy to work with and all the accessories included were of nice quality. Number 4. Macrame Kit for Beginners. This kit includes everything you need to get started. It comes with natural cotton macrame rope, wooden sticks, rings, and beads. It's perfect for beginners looking to explore macrame. Inside, you'll find a helpful instruction manual. It features 10 basic knots to get you started. This will help you create unique handmade crafts. The macrame cord is made from 100% natural cotton. It's soft, safe, and has no added chemicals. You can easily cut it to any length you need. The cotton rope is easy to work with. You can cut it to any length you need. The total length of the cord is enough for many projects. This kit is perfect for various projects. You can create wall hangings, plant hangers, and other DIY crafts. It's great for home and party decorations. What we like? This kit gives you a generous amount of natural cotton cord, perfect for multiple projects. The included manual teaches you basic knots to make your handmade crafts more unique. If you are looking to create a variety of macrame items, this kit provides ample materials and inspiration. What people say. Kits comes with string, beads, rings, hooks, and even a little book with instructions on a couple of commonly used knots. The kit comes with everything you need to get started and more. The 3mm x 109 yards natural cotton macrame cord is of excellent quality, making it easy to work with. The inclusion of wooden beads, wooden rings, wooden sticks, and metal rings is a thoughtful touch. Number 3. UHAPEER Macrame Kit for Beginners. This kit is perfect for beginners. It includes everything you need to start creating beautiful macrame projects. It's a great way to explore your creativity and make unique home decorations. The kit comes with all the necessary materials. It includes various colors of cotton cord, wooden beads, rings, and hooks. It's designed to make the learning process easy and enjoyable. The macrame cord is made from natural cotton, without any chemicals. The kit also includes wooden craft rings and beads. The soft yarn is easy to work with. Detailed instructions and videos are included to guide you. Even if you've never done macrame before, you'll quickly learn. It's a fun way to spend your time. The finished macrame projects fit perfectly with boho and farmhouse decor. They can be used to decorate any room in your home. It's suitable for various applications, such as home textiles and party decorations. This kit is a perfect gift for anyone who enjoys DIY and crafts. It's ideal for making macrame carpets, plant hangers, and more. It's a thoughtful present that encourages creativity. What we like. This kit offers macrame cord in multiple colors, allowing you to add a personal touch to your projects. It includes detailed instructions and videos, making it easy to learn. If you like the boho style, this kit will help you create beautiful decorations for your home. What people say. The cord is of very good quality. Durable and accurately described thickness. The instruction manual provides pictures of the projects and it's easy to follow. The supplies were many and well made. I knew nothing about knots and this had good instructions to start with. Number 2. Macrame Kit, 3 plant hangers for beginners. This kit is perfect for beginners. It includes everything you need to create 3 unique plant hangers. The step-by-step instruction booklet makes it easy to learn. Picture and video demonstrations are also included to guide you. Each style is unique and designed to look great together. You'll have 3 beautiful, handmade plant holders. The 3mm twist macrame cord is soft and strong, ideal for beginners. It also includes natural wooden beads with large holes. Give the gift of creativity and accomplishment. This kit comes in eye-pleasing packaging, making it a thoughtful present for anyone. The kit contains 109 yards of rope, wooden rings, and various wooden beads. It's the perfect macrame kit for adult beginners. What we like. This kit provides easy-to-follow instructions to make multiple plant hangers. The cord is soft and strong, perfect for beginners. If you are looking for a kit to create beautiful plant hangers and enjoy the process, you should consider it. What people say. The cord is very good quality and the instructions are clear. All 3 designs came out looking great. The seller also has helpful YouTube tutorials for each of the patterns if you need more detailed instructions. Number 1. RQWZBCHX Macrame Wall Hanging Kits. This kit includes everything you need to start. It comes with a 200-meter macrame cord, wooden dowels, and a detailed instruction manual. It's perfect for beginners to create beautiful wall hangings. These macrame wall hangers add a touch of natural craftsmanship to any space. They are perfect for your living room, dining room, or office. You can embrace the natural beauty of handmade decor. The creamy white macrame cord is soft, strong, and ideal for beginners. It provides enough material to create multiple patterns. The natural color complements any home decor style. This kit is a great gift for anyone who loves crafting. They will enjoy the process of creating something unique and beautiful. It's ideal for birthdays, Christmas, or any special occasion. The kit includes a detailed booklet and video tutorials to guide you. It teaches you how to create 3 different macrame wall hanger patterns. It's designed to be easy for beginners to follow. What we like. This kit includes instructions for multiple wall hanging patterns, perfect for beginners. It comes with a detailed booklet and video tutorials. If you're looking for a thoughtful gift for a craft lover, this kit is a great choice. What people say. Great for beginners. This was my second ever macrame project and I loved it. Super easy directions, photos of how to do the knots. I still have the pamphlet and reference it often. Comes with plenty of cord that is good quality and durable. Awesome kit, good instruction book and code to take you to YouTube. Very happy. Love this kit. It's great for beginners or for those refreshing a once-though-lost art. Each kit contains everything you need to complete not 1, but 3 different projects. You get 3 designs, yarn, and complete step-by-step directions, as well as illustrations showing how to do each knot. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.